Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Just wanted to share my thoughts on the new YouTube Shorts Monetization program. I've read the rules or the requirements that YouTube have posted in their website, mainly Google, because YouTube is owned by Google. So from the first perspective, I don't think it's fair. It's not impossible, but it is very hard to have the requirements. So you need to get 10 million views in 90 days. 90 days only. That's it. If you have passed, for example, you got 9.9 million view in 89 days, for example, and you reach to the 90th day and you didn't reach to the 10 million, gone. You'll start from zero from the next month. Do you understand? So, okay, YouTube, it's very hard. I can't get 10 million shorts videos in 90 days, but I have to do more. Like, what is the other option? Mainly, you join or the same shit. You need to get the 4,000 public hours, which is, again, very hard, especially if your location is not in the places where YouTube will recommend your videos. It's not about the title, it's not about the luck, it's about the location. YouTube consider the location that you are in. This is why when you start your channel, it asks you about your location. So, for example, my location is United Arab Emirates, and I have a friend. Okay, his location is in United Kingdom, and I have another friend who is located in US. When we compare our channels, you will see that there is a very dramatically, let's say, difference between my channel's view and his channel view. Although my videos are much better and higher quality and they are more interesting than them, but because they live in UK and US, YouTube is recommending their videos more recently than mine. So this is another issue. A fourth issue as well, when you select a specific niche in YouTube, you try to get up with a new idea, you will do a research, then you will do the videos, blah 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 blah. When you start to post, you will figure out that, oh shit, I'm not the only one who has this idea or this niche. Yes, you are not the only one. Everyone wants to make money in YouTube. So yes, that's another issue as well. So what I suggest is that you start with normal videos, the 8 minutes plus videos strategy, get the 4,000 public watch hours, and after that you monetize your channel. Then you start posting YouTube Shorts, and then you will see what is the outcome. If you saw that YouTube Shorts are giving you more money than the normal videos, then stick with the Shorts. Other than that, the normal videos are much better choice for now, because things are not clear about YouTube Shorts and the requirements are so much hard, and you will not be able to get 10 million views, believe me. I did a test for like 2 to 3 months for one of my YouTube channels. Started to post one short per day, and I was not getting much views. I couldn't even cross 7,000 views a day at all. So again, if you want to make money in YouTube, stick with the 8 minutes plus video strategy. Then when you get your YouTube monetized, and yes, even if you got your channel monetized, wait for 2 to 3 months minimum, because YouTube might ban you after that. It happened with some of my friends. They got monetized from the first month, then the second month they got banned and they lost all their profit. From the first day they got monetized till that day where they got banned. So wait for 2 to 3 months, things went normal, then continue with that. Thank you guys, and I hope that my experience is useful to you. And if you have anything, just mention it in the comments. Peace.